This video will cover routing logic and filters. These are particularly useful when you have multiple buyers who want their own specific data points. In this example, we have 4 backend buyers, 2 buying off of Pingpost, an email delivery buyer, and 1 direct post buyer. Once your buyers are built out, scroll down to the filters section of your campaign homepage. Using filters, you can route the leads coming into your campaign to the correct buyers based on specific criteria. You can add global filters, which will be campaign-wide, or filters that are unique to each supplier and buyer. A filter can be based on any field created in the campaign. Common global filters are filters for profanity or the word test in the first name field, or things that you want to reject from all of your suppliers. For example, you might want to block any lead that does not pass Jornaya or Trusted Form, or anyone who is not a homeowner. For buyer-specific filters, let's say Solar Company only wants leads in Florida, Texas, and California. Here, you'll add a state filter with an allow action and a condition of matches exactly. Then enter in the states that the buyer specified. For Solar Company 2, let's say they only want to buy leads with a monthly electric bill over $150. Here, you'll add a filter for the monthly electric bill field and select Allow as the action and One of as the condition. You'll then add the values that fit the buyer's criteria. If you have more than just a few records, instead of entering them one by one, you should upload a zip file. The editor on the left should only be used for a few records, no more than 1,000. If the direct post buyer has a list of allowed zip codes greater than 1,000 records, upload that file here to add them as a filter. If you upload a text file, each line is added as an entry, so make sure each value is on its own line. If they are in a spreadsheet, all values need to be in one column with no header to be properly imported. On top of simple filtering, LeadProsper can also execute regular expression filtering. For example, we can block all phones that start with area code 210 and 505 by using block and putting *210 and *505 in the contains box. Please be sure to read our support documents for additional examples on how to use this feature. Reach out to support if you need help setting up these advanced rules. Remember that every buyer can have their own set of filters, ensuring that they only get leads that match exactly what they're looking for. That's all for routing logic and filters. If you have any questions, please email us at support@leadprosper.io or make use of the support button.